Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 24th, 2021. Take a look. You can look at my chart. We're going to talk about Tron today. And these articles that come out speaking on these cryptocurrencies, trying to give these outlandish crypto predictions is really something that needs to be taken with a grain of salt. Like, don't take this or don't take those crypto price predictions as gospel. Don't take it too serious, because a lot has to happen in order for these cryptocurrencies, especially Tron, to hit $1, right? If Tron is going to hit $1 one day, understand that the overall cryptocurrency market is going to be monumentally more valuable, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, Matic, all those other cryptocurrency that has use cases on a global scale would be immensely more important, more valuable than Tron reaching $1, right? So we're going to look at this article right here, talking about giving a Tron prediction and asking us the question, will Tron reach $1? In the grand scheme of things, the answer is yes, it can hit $1, but under what premise, under what situation will it take for Tron to hit $1, right? And I want you all to tell me in the comment section of this video, what will it take? What type of events needs to occur in order for Tron to hit $1, you think? So now, before I break down our last price prediction as well, I want to invite you all to join our team. I want you all to join our community of people who are getting in position and dominating the space, right? Everyone on our team who watches our videos, who participates in calling the market with us, are able to profit in this space more often than not. And we've been showing you all this on our YouTube channel for like the last 3 or 4 years. We've been in this position, dropping plays and giving everyone a heads up as to where price is going to go. So if you're new, you can hit that like button, share, and subscribe, join our team. You're more than welcome. If not, then more power to you, to wherever you go to try to get your predictions in terms of where currency prices are going to go, right? Because we're going to show it to you the unconfusing way. We're not here to confuse you, because we once were confused when we've read books about technical analysis and how many people try to place 4, 5, 6, 10, 15 indicators on the charts, and they still have no idea as to where the market is going to go. We went through that at one point, and we had to eradicate that from our mind, from our psyche, and learn how to read the charts without those things. And you can see that in Tron's situation. We don't place those things in our charts because it only causes us confusion, and it does not give us a competitive advantage in the market. Okay. So first, let's look at this article real quick. I went ahead and highlighted some things on this article. It's not too big of an article. You guys can see the global coverage. It seems as if it's just some, rudimentary website that just drops a couple of clickbait titles, that drops a couple of things to make you click on the article just so that you can go to their website, right? It's pretty much what it looks like. So don't read too much into this, okay? But if you are just to Google, when will Tron reach $1? This particular title has already been numbered many a times. You get many websites that poses this question. When will Tron hit $1? So anyone who is a Tron fan, anyone who has anything against Tron, let's not be surprised to think that this is something outlandish, because that question has been posed numerous times since Tron has been listed on these cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay. So the article writer is written by Ravi Pandey. Okay. And he's asking us the question, when will Tron reach $1? Okay. So keep that in mind. Now, this article is broad brush, is very broad, it's not specific. And when you get those type of words in articles, you don't need to take it seriously. Okay. So first sentence, if you see the picture given below, you will find out that the coin is going down day by day, obviously, right? Now, as of now, the coin is trading at a price of around 7 cents. 7 cents. That is 94 cents away from hitting $1. Do you know what is the percentage of that? Tron trading around 7 cents to $1 Experts. See, that's that broad word right there. It's not specific. It doesn't tell us who these experts are. But they are saying that the coin could reach 10 cents at the end of 2021. And by the end of 2025, it could touch the $1 mark. So in 4 years, right, the market can go to $1. And it's going to take the rest of this year just for it to hit 10 cents. So it takes 6 months for Tron to go to 10 cents to increase by 4 cents. It takes 6 months. And then by 2025, you're saying that the market and Tron is going to hit $1. That's why I wanted you all to tell me in the comment section what type of events needs to happen in order to justify the massive interest and demand for Tron to hit $1 in 2025. This is what Ravi says. I always say future is unknown. And in terms of Bitcoins, nothing could be said. That's confusing. This article is about Tron. Why would he write a sentence that mentions Bitcoins? It might be a algorithmic bot that wrote this article, as this is heavily volatile. That caught my eye. Another thing that caught my eye is, as of now, advising you to do anything related to a crypto coin would be hard. Crypto coin, we're talking about Tron. Again, it seems as if some bot wrote this article who can't distinguish between what is the main idea of the article. The main idea is Tron, giving us a Tron price prediction and what's the probability of it hitting $1. So why are you talking about Bitcoin, and why in the world are you giving us this broad sentence of about a crypto coin? We're talking about Tron. The article references Tron. And then advising you to do anything would be hard. So you did this whole article speaking on Tron, and you telling us that you cannot advise us to do anything because it would be a hard thing. And then he leaves the comment, tell us in the comment section if you feel our Tron TRX price prediction is correct or not. I tell you guys, like this, the type of information that is out here is ridiculous. And you know, just because you probably wouldn't click on this article, just understand in a world of billions of people, it is out there and someone clicked. Okay. So check this out. Let's talk about our Tron price prediction for real. You guys can see, let me make this quick. You can see right here on May 29th, we did our last price prediction. It was during our Lookout live stream session. 13% right there. Market went all the way down to our support area. So we wasn't even surprised to see the market in Tron go down to a nickel. That would have been 26.5 right there. So either 13.25, 26.5, done. So now let's move on. So now we already can grasp that support into the market is right there around 5 cents. That is where liftoff occurred. Now, let me show you all the market in Tron on a 3-day time frame, and we're going to continue to hold that. Okay. We also broke a restriction area around 5.5, 6 cents, which is also a positive thing. So on this prediction, 5.5 cents is going to be our support area. Okay. So let me show you all on an hourly time frame. Definitely, I like what happened into the market on this last 9-hour price bar. Says a lot. 13-hour price bar says a lot as well. We're definitely seeing volume increase. When volume increases, that tells us that buyers came through, or bigger institutions came through and dropped, either they bought or sold more of their Tron tokens into the market, right? And so far, the market maintained, if it was selling, it maintained its price. So that's another indication that this market in Tron is trying to inch higher in price. And I'm not going to be overly bullish. I just got done with a video in Chili's, and I told everyone on that particular video that I'm not overly bullish, but we can still expect the market price to give us some increase and moving higher. Okay. So in this particular situation in Tron, definitely 0.067 would be our first area of TP, 0.067. So let's run this. So that's about 3.62%. Definitely what occurred in the last couple of completed 3-hour price bars. I definitely am not expecting the market to get hit with that and go back down to the downside. Look like 7 cents is where the market area TP is going to be originally for us, all the way up here toward 7.5, 0.074. So that is the play that we are harnessing on this price prediction for Tron. Okay, we said that let me run this back on the $5.50 is where we're going to hold support. Okay, so that's it. Now I got this line all the way up here in Tron. I'm gonna bring it down slightly to this point here. This is going to be the restriction area that we're going to watch for the market in Tron to try to come to. Okay, so you guys can see that this is the expectation of the trading that we're looking forward to into the market in Tron, right? Bouncing in between these two lines. So now we're in position. This is our expectations as to where we're looking for the market to go over the next, let's do 5 days. In 5 days, where would the price in Tron be? Let us know. Okay. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, welcome to the team and trade different.